Hello everyone, Dusty here. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So in this video today, I'm going to be talking about how you can send Facebook friends messages directly from within Instagram. With a recent update, you are able to basically do all of your messaging from one platform via the Instagram Messenger or Facebook Messengers. I will also show you towards the end of this video how to go back to the old version. If you're like, hey, I want to keep my Instagram and Facebook Messenger separate, you can go back to the old version. So what you're going to want to do is hop into Instagram. Once you've opened up your Instagram app, go to your profile page. Once you are at your profile page, the three lines, horizontal lines in the upper right-hand corner of the screen, go ahead and tap on those horizontal lines. And then once you've tapped on the lines, go to where you see settings. Now, if you're just now getting to this as the update's being rolled out, you may see something here that says Update Messenger. I'm going to show you the real way to do it. So tap on Settings here, and then once under Settings, you're going to want to go down to where you see Facebook, Account Center, and again, obviously, you're going to need the newest version of this app. So Instagram just recently updated. Make sure you go to your app store, check for updates, make sure you're on the newest version, and then here under Facebook where it says Accounts Center, go there to Account Center, and then it says Accounts and Profiles, the top option there. Go ahead and tap on Accounts and Profiles, and then go ahead and go to Add Accounts. It's going to ask you, here's a couple of your accounts, your Instagram and your Facebook account. So go ahead and tap on Continue if you see both of your accounts there, Instagram and Facebook, and then go to Finish Setting Up. And then once you've done that, you will now have both your Facebook and Instagram account right here under Accounts and Profiles. So now if we hop over to our Messenger here within Instagram and then go to search here, if we start searching for someone, you can see that we will have Facebook friends down there at the bottom, as well as people at the top who we're already connected with or follow over on Instagram. So you got Facebook friends and your Instagram folks over here. Now, if you've updated to this and you're like, man, I want to keep everything separate, what you're going to want to do is go back over to your profile, go to settings again by tapping on the horizontal lines there in the upper right-hand corner, and navigate back over to where you see Accounts Center under Facebook there. And then what you're going to want to do is tap on Accounts and Profiles once more, and then tap on your Facebook account, which will be the bottom one, and then just remove it by tapping on Remove from Accounts Center, just like that. And then it lets you know and says, hey, are you sure you want to disable this connected experience, logging in across accounts, finding and all of that stuff? This is the messaging feature. Tap on Continue. Tap on Remove Your Name, and then once you're ready to go, and you will see now all of your multiple accounts will be removed. And now when you go back over to Messenger over on Instagram, you can see it's only going to be people that are on your Instagram list. No longer will you see your Facebook friends list. All right, guys, that's how you do it directly from within Instagram. If you have any questions, please put those in the comment section down below. Really do appreciate you guys watching. If this video helped you out, help me out by liking, sharing, and subscribing for more great tech tips just like this. And I will see you guys in the next video.